this is Chanel with WTI. So me and my husband just renovated our new home, and we had to use new flooring in certain parts of the house. And of course, the laundry room was a first go. We used these cozy vinyl tiles. They're nice size. We can even like cut out to customize like the floor size and area. We were able to do that just fine using these and like a sharp edge tool. But they're so easy to use and place down. I was able to do it by myself. We placed it down on just like a wood surface. We really loved how easy they are to work with, and we're gonna be using them again in the future in a bathroom. It's been about 4 months ago that we placed these tiles down, and today still looks just as good as it did that first day, and we really appreciate how nice it looks. So definitely looking forward to using these again, and that is my point of view.